beauties. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are watching me from, and also depends on when you come across this video. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. And first of all, guys, thank you guys for your amazing support, and I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you all abundantly. May your secret prayers be answered in Jesus' name. So first of all, guys, what are we doing today? I just want to show you guys a quick amazing way how to make organic lightening and glowing carrot oil. So this is just so simple. For those of you who have been asking me, how do I do this? What do I mix with my lightening? What do I mix with my cream for it to give me the lightening look that I want? How do I do this? So here is how I normally do my lightening carrot oil. It's very easy. So we have two carrot oil here, and this one is for lightening and this one is for glowing. So this particular glowing and this one is particular for lightening. So it depends on what you want to do. For those of you who actually, if you want to brighten up your skin, you can actually use this. There is no problem. But I miss this particular one. Why this one is not mixed yet? Because I don't miss the one I'm not making use. I only miss the one I want to use to mix my cream instantly. So this carrot oil, you can actually use it on your skin like this. Is good. But for me, I don't normally rub oil on my skin because my skin is very sensitive. To avoid green vein, I normally mix my lightening oil with my cream. So without me wasting much of your time, guys, let me show you guys how to make this particular two lightening and glowing brightening carrot oil. Is very simple. So guys, let's begin. But before then, if you are new here on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider the red subscription, subscribe, and do turn on the notification bell. God bless you as you do so. Then don't forget to like, comment, feel free, and share. Thank you guys for your understanding. So let's begin.
So guys, as you can see, I'm trying to spread the carrots and make it dry just the way I want it, since we are in winter, no sun, nothing. And please, if you want to do yours like this, make sure your heater is not that hot. If you are in a country that is very hot, you can just use natural sun. It's the best. But nevertheless, this one is still good. So the reason why I'm doing this method is really good. This way I can get the exactly lightening carrot oil that I want. Best carrot oil. This method is just the best. So guys, as you can see, the carrots is dried. It took me maximum of good 4 days before I got this particular carrot dried up. So what we will be doing, guys, I'm not going to make use of everything. I'm just trying to show you guys how to make a lightening carrot oil. And this particular one, guys, is super effective. So for those of you who don't know how to make carrot oil, there's a video I did about how to make a carrot oil. That video was other method, but this method is just the best, and I love this method because it gave me what I want. So this dry carrot, now I'm just going to bring out the one I'm going to make use with. And not only that, we will still going to be making use of this dry carrot, and we will be making cream out of it, powder out of it. And right now we just want to make lightening carrot oil for glowing skin, for all skin type. Even if you are dark, you are fair, you can actually do it for your skin. It's actually good. For those of you who actually want to do this, if you want to do it for your skin, if you don't want to miss any lightening oil along with it, you can actually use it. It's still super effective. But for me, you guys know, I normally tell you guys the truth. After doing this carrot oil, I would definitely be adding lightening oil to my carrot oil to make it super effective. That way I can get my result in no time. So guys, without me wasting much of your time, let's just keep doing it. And let me tell you guys this, please, if you want to do this method, make sure you wash properly. If you are using heater, make sure you wash properly so that your carrot will get burnt. Because the first time I tried this, I made a mistake why my carrot got burnt. So this is my second time of doing it, and I did it perfectly, and which I'm very happy. So guys, that is just it. So the next thing I will be doing right now, I just want to take out the one I will be use the one I need. Like I said, I don't want to do everything because it's pretty much. I just want to take out the one I will be making right now, which is my lightning carrot oil. So this is it, and this is how it looks like, and I'm just going to keep that one for other purpose sake. So this is my dry carrot, and as you can see, it's not that much. I don't want to make that much. It's just for myself. I'm not doing it for anyone. I'm just trying to show you guys how you can make your carrot oil at home without any problem, without you looking for how to make a lightning oil or a carrot oil to mix your cream with. It's very simple, guys. So let's just keep doing this together. And the next thing I will be adding, guys, is this olive oil. This olive oil is natural and native olive oil. Is really good. If you don't want to use olive oil, you can use sunflower. The both works pretty good, but for me, I prefer using olive oil. Whatever, anything that I'm doing, I prefer adding olive oil, most especially when it comes to carrot oil. I love adding my olive oil. So this is how it looks right now. I think my olive oil is not that much. Let me see. I think I have something like that, which I bought long time ago before I bought this particular one, because this one is not that much. I just had to add little oil to it so that it will be mush, and that is just what I'm going to be doing right now. So guys, keep on watching. So guys, that is just it, and the reason why I wrap it up with my nylon is because I want it to heat up. I don't want to eat it with anything, hot water or anything. I just want to leave it for 4 good days. So that 4 good days, it will be enough for it to absorb and give me what I want, like my carrot oil. Guys, you need to wait for it. So guys, it's 4 good days now, and let's unwrap our carrot lightning oil and continue the process. So this is it. You see how colorful and how nice it is. Please guys, make sure you do your carrot oil like this. And if you want to achieve the lightning process, I will be showing you guys what I add to my lightning carrot oil. So for those of you, you can still use yours like this, there is no problem, but I just decide to add this to my lightning oil. So that is how I use my lightning carrot oil. So first of all guys, let's just continue. you see, I still have some particles on it, but this is what I actually want, guys. So just gonna take out from that is it right now. So I'm not gonna miss everything. I'm not gonna miss everything. I just want to miss just this. Why this is for other day, and I don't normally miss the one I want to, the one I don't want to make use of. I only miss the one I want to use at the moment. So this one, let's keep this one aside, and this is the one I want to miss. I have my Clinic Clear Oil. So my Clinic Clear Oil will help boost the lightening process. You know, a lot of people do use this Clinic Clear just like this for whitening skin, but I don't want to whiten up my skin. I just want to use it to mix my carrot oil to give me the lightening look that I want. So if you don't want to use Clinic Clear, you can use any lightening oil or any whitening oil that is available for you. It's still going to do the same thing, but I just want to show you guys what I had to my carrot oil. So carrot oil can just give you whitening or lightening skin just like that. You just have to mix it with something, except if you want to use it like that, it can take you some maximum of some months, some weeks before you can get the result. But if you mix it this way, you will get the result instantly, guys. So don't add too much. I just had a little. So after then, just shake. This is my carrot amazing lightening oil is ready. So don't let the carrot oil to be much. So just do the one you can use maximum of 3 weeks, because I didn't have anything like there's nothing like preservative in here. Everything's just organic, really, apart from the missing Clinic oil I added to it. So this is just it, guys. This is my carrot oil. This is my lightening carrot oil, and this is my normal carrot oil for skin glowing. So you see the difference now, guys, because I missed this particular one and I didn't miss this one. So normally carrot oil is like this. Even if you shake it, it's not going to change anything. It's not going to change color. It's just remain like this. So why this? Because I added something to it, and this is how it looks, and it's amazing, guys. So thank you guys for your amazing time, and I so much appreciate you all. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and please make sure you do this. It's really good. For those of you who have been asking me what do I mix with my cream, I want to lighten up my skin, you can just do this process. Do this particular one, add anything lightening oil to it. Believe me, you will get what you want. So that is just it, guys. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you have any opinion, anything you just want to ask, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Let's communicate. It's free, so that is why it's good to help one another. What you don't know, tell others to know about it, and what others don't know, if you know about it, feel free to state your opinion down below. So see you guys in my next amazing video. Bye.